Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Kaos. If you're new to my channel, hi, you're listening to Sukriti. So we had a break of 1-2 weeks from the Phonetic Series. So today is a phonetics related video. We will discuss what are voiced and voiceless sounds in English sounds. So this is a major turnover in phonetics because after this we'll be using this voice and voiceless sounds a lot because we need to transcribe the plural forms of the words and the ed forms, like the past forms of the word. So for all these things we actually need to know what is voiced and what is voiceless sounds, and we'll transcribe the words accordingly. So what is voiced and voiceless sound is our topic today. So voiced sounds. So voiced sounds are the sounds which when we pronounce, our vocal should vibrate. That means our vocal cord should vibrate. So those sounds are voiced sounds. So let's talk about voiceless sounds, which are very easy, and then come to voice sounds. So it will be like extra easy. So voiceless sounds are the sounds like when we pronounce, the vocal cord should not vibrate. But as we are Indians, for Indians it's like a bit difficult to understand because I tell you, like there are 9 voiceless sounds and they are p, t, k, h, t, d, sh, ch, s. So all these, like when we are pronouncing all these 9 sounds, our vocal cord actually vibrates, like p. See, it's vibrating. H. So like it vibrates. So it's like a bit tough to categorize them. So there are 9 voiceless sounds. Only thing we can do is mug up it. Okay, just go like a song. P, ch, k, ch, t. So it will just come in that flow. Just read it 2-3 days and it will just come in that flow. So voiceless sounds are 9 and we have to mug up all these voiceless sounds, and all the sounds other than these 9 sounds are voiced sounds. So voiced sounds are in consonants there are 15 voiced sounds, because the 9 consonant sounds we have taken in voiced and all the vowels are voiced sounds. So that's how it is. So this is all about voiced and voiceless sounds. Don't forget to make a note of what are voiced sounds. I mean the 9 voiceless sounds. Just take a note of it so that you can categorize all the sounds which are not part of the voiceless sounds or voiced sounds. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please take note of this because this is very important. Now from now on we have a bit kind of a major role for this voice and voiceless sounds. So thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you soon in another informative video of phonetics. Bye bye.